Slayton's fans are once again buzzing with speculation as rumors explode across social media following a shocking revelation that could shake up the entire Slayton family dynamic. Tammy Slayton, one half of the fan-favorite reality duo from Millions hit show 1000 LV Sisters, may be facing another emotional storm, this time not due to her health, but her heart. According to explosive new claims and fan sightings, Tammy's rumored girlfriend, Andrea, has been spotted wearing what appears to be a wedding ring, leading many to ask the obvious but complicated question, is Andrea already married? The rumors began swirling after eagle-eyed fans posted screenshots and candid photos of Andrea in what seemed to be a casual meetup with Tammy in Kentucky. In those images, Andrea can be seen sporting a shiny band on her left ring finger, the universal symbol of marriage. The fan who took the photos insists it was no costume jewelry, stating the ring looked solid and official. And now, fans and gossip bloggers alike are wondering, has Tammy found herself entangled in another messy relationship, possibly with someone who's already committed to someone else? Tammy Slayton's love life has been anything but smooth. From tumultuous breakups to controversial partners, Tammy's romantic choices have often caused waves both on and off the show. Her history of dating men who appeared to take advantage of her emotionally and financially has been a recurring theme, often to the heartbreak of her sister Amy and the rest of the Slayton family. After a difficult marriage and the tragic loss of her husband Caleb, fans had hoped Tammy might finally be taking the time to heal. But things took a dramatic turn when Andrea entered the picture. Andrea, who first appeared on social media with Tammy in cozy selfies and flirty TikTok videos, quickly became a topic of interest among the 1000 LV Sisters fan base. The chemistry between them was undeniable. Tammy seemed happy, even glowing, and fans initially embraced the relationship. Many commented on how different Tammy seemed, more open, more playful, and possibly more in love than ever before. But now that the ring has been spotted, a shadow has been cast over the joyful impression. Adding fuel to the fire, sources close to the Slayton family have reportedly expressed concern over Andrea's background. While little is officially known about her, a handful of anonymous posts on Reddit and Facebook claim Andrea has a complicated past, including a previous long-term relationship that may not have ended legally. One post suggested that Andrea was separated, but not divorced, a claim that has not been verified but continues to gain traction online. Another alleged that Andrea has children from a previous marriage and that the father may still be involved in her life. Tammy herself has not directly addressed the rumors, but her recent social media activity has only intensified fan speculation. In one recent TikTok video, Tammy appeared to be responding to critics with a defiant message, "Yeah, don't know what you think you know. Stay out of grown folks' business." While cryptic, the statement didn't deny the relationship or the claims about Andrea's marital status. It did, however, reflect Tammy's usual attitude toward outside judgment, something viewers have become all too familiar with over the seasons. Amy Slayton, Tammy's sister and co-star, has also remained notably silent. Amy, who has been going through her own challenges with divorce, co-parenting, and a new romance, has not publicly commented on Andrea. But long-time viewers know that Amy has always played the protective sister role, and it's difficult to imagine she hasn't at least asked Tammy the hard questions behind closed doors. A few fans pointed out that Amy recently unfollowed Andrea on Instagram, a digital move that often speaks louder than words. Producers of 1000 LV Sisters have yet to weigh in, but sources say that the drama is likely being documented for the upcoming season. TLC has a history of capturing controversial relationships within the show's narrative arc, and this situation with Andrea would make for explosive television. Some insiders believe producers are already scripting confessionals around the ring, citing and building a potential confrontation scene that could involve Andrea answering tough questions about her past and her present. The Slayton fan community, which is known for being both loyal and widely opinionated, has reacted with a mix of shock, concern, and frustration. Many fans have taken to social media to voice their support for Tammy, urging her to be careful and prioritize her mental health. Others have called out Andrea, questioning her motives and transparency. If she's married, that's a red flag. Tammy deserves someone who's all in, wrote one concerned fan on Twitter. Another posted, "Tammy's been through too much. are raising eyebrows. Online sleuths have started deep diving into Andrea's digital footprint. A few internet detectives claim to have found old wedding photos, possibly involving Andrea, though the identity ties remain unconfirmed. One TikTok creator posted a side-by-side comparison of Andrea's current ring and a ring seen in a 2018 Facebook wedding album allegedly tied to her name. While speculative, the visual similarities were enough to get thousands of likes and comments, mostly from people deeming the NG answers. Relationship expert Dr. Emily Carter, who frequently consults on reality TV dynamics, weighed in on the situation. This kind of drama is sadly not uncommon in the reality television world. What makes Tammy's case unique is her vulnerability in her history of emotional dependency, she said in an interview with a pop culture blog. If Andrea is still married or involved with someone else, it introduces not only emotional danger but legal and ethical concerns as well. The question remains, does Tammy know? If Andrea is indeed married or still legally bound to someone else, is Tammy aware of it? And if so, why is she choosing to stay? Is it love, loneliness, or simply denial? Tammy has often admitted in the past that she fears abandonment and craves genuine affection, two emotional drivers that can make anyone, especially someone with a traumatic past, blind to red flags. Meanwhile, Andrea has kept a low profile. Her Instagram, once public, has been switched to private. She has not posted any recent stories or photos that reference the ring or Tammy. Some see this as a sign of guilt or an effort to avoid the growing storm of backlash, while others believe she may simply be overwhelmed by the sudden fame and attention. Still, silence often breeds more suspicion than clarity. As for TFC, fans are demanding that the network address the issue, or at least acknowledge it in upcoming promotional content. We want real answers, not scripted drama, wrote one user on a TFC fan forum. Others have called on the producers to protect Tammy if the rumors are true, suggesting that another painful betrayal could be damaging to her recovery and personal growth. In the end, only time will tell what's really going on between Tammy and Andrea. The reality star has made massive progress in her life, from undergoing bariatric surgery to learning how to walk again without assistance. She's shed more than just pounds, she's shed old habits and toxic patterns. But has she truly moved forward emotionally, or is she still drawn to relationships that offer passion but little peace? Fans of 1000 LB Sisters will undoubtedly be watching closely, hoping that Tammy chooses herself first this time. Whether Andrea is married or not, one thing is certain, Tammy's journey is far from over, and if the past is any indication, it's bound to be filled with unexpected twists, public outcry, and emotional reckonings. Will the truth about the ring finally come out? And if it does, will Tammy walk away, or stand by her new partner, no matter what? Until then, speculation continues to swirl, and the Slater sisters remain firmly in the spotlight, where drama, love, and heartbreak seem to follow them wherever they go. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.